Hello guys, and welcome to a new tutorial. This time is not for the computer, this one is for the iPhone. I know that I make tutorials for After Effects and the other videos editing systems, but this one would be for the iOS users around the world. So uh, today's lesson is for the people who just came to the iOS world, and of course the first thing you'll do is to create an Apple account so you can download apps from the App Store. So first thing you to do is just go to the settings in your new iPhone and just go down, scroll down to see the iTunes, and of course you can see the App Store icon, and just press on the iTunes and App Store. You will find something basically like this page in front of you. I have blank spaces. So first thing to do is you can press on Apple ID if you do already have an Apple account, but if you don't, you can just scroll down and create a new Apple ID. So there is one thing to notice is that when you come to create an account from this page, you might face some problems, and one of the problem is that you would have, and this is not an option for you, to put your visa informations. So if you don't want this thing to happen with you, you can just go back like what I'm gonna do right now and just go to the App Store itself. So bear with me for a minute, just I'm turning off the Wi-Fi connection and turn on the 3G because I'm not in the house at the moment. So first thing we'll do is we'll go to the App Store itself. It's gonna take a while. We don't have the fastest connection in the world here. You can go to the top charts and just wait. I think it's gonna take longer than I thought. And now I will wait until I see the apps, and specifically I want the free apps because we're not gonna see the visa informations. So you've got now the paid apps which in front of you, but for me I'll go to just jump to the free apps. So first thing, like this app now is, I don't know what is it, Copilot GPS. I'm just gonna download it and a message will pop up in my face and will tell me that I'm sorry, you don't have an account. You have to create an account, or if you have already an account, you can just write down your informations. It's taking longer than I thought again. Okay, good. This is the message. It would tell you to sign in. You have to sign in to download apps from the App Store, and you can either use an existing Apple ID or you create a new Apple ID. For me, I don't have an Apple ID, so I'll create a new one by pressing on this option. Let's go and choose United States, for example. Just press next. And now we have the agreement. You can just go on by pressing on agree. Yes, I agree. And then we'll just move on to the next page. Just write down your informations. Nothing really difficult about the next step. I'll do it and I'll jump to the next page. Okay, now this is the tricky part. Now from here you can choose none, and you can now not to enter your Visa or MasterCard informations. So if we went and create account from the settings, from that point you will have to enter your informations. You have to choose one of the options, the four options, and if you don't have Visa, then you will be stuck, and you can see the code, enter code for gifts. We don't have any gifts. From here, the billing address, as I said before, you can just write your informations. You can write it down, your first name, last name, address, city, and all the other things. Okay, this is the last step. Now Apple has sent you an email, and you can just go to your email as in this page and just press on the link, and they will just get you back and verify your account, and then you can just download apps as much as you like. Thanks for watching. I hope it was a useful video for you.